Chili?
Chili relleno with casserole.
Ooh, man, you may have to get that recipe for us. That sounds pretty good. Well, see how that one, see, if you have that big iron, that's going to happen all the time. And see, now it wants to be a troublemaker. Gosh, now I'm thinking about that recipe, thinking about how you would do that. Seems like a bunch of cooking shows, I guess because it's getting close to holiday time where people do more cooking. But on my YouTube and Facebook, all these little cooking venues are popping up. So that's what it looks like with them all opened. Now, when you're prepping your fabric before you start cutting at the very beginning, that's when I would want to use any starch or steam to get your fabric all prepped really nice. But once I start working on my blocks, I don't use a lot of steam or starch. Only if I'm having an issue with something that is not behaving and I have to do a little bit more to get it to do what I want it to do. But it's gonna take more for whatever reason. So just to kind of prove the concept of what I'm saying about steam and starch and moisture, we have these big, well, the stars are on that big board over there that we, you want to put the camera over there where the stars are? See, that's just a board like you would get at a home building lumberyard type place. It's like the insulation of the walls, and you get them like paneling. They're like 4 foot by 8 foot or whatever. And then you can use it like a board, stick your pins and stuff in it to put your blocks on. Well, I have those different sizes to put my work on, and then I have to take them from here in my sewing room over across to where our film studio is on the back side of the property. And we were having some rain and stuff, and I had some of my pieces all in big sections pinned on that board. Well, with the rain and the humidity and the moisture and everything, when I got back over here to my sewing room and up the stairs with my boards, and I started taking them off to get them sewn together, all of these seams that I had pressed down so nice here on the back, and they were just so flat and nice, they were all curling up. And they were pinned on that board, and I was like, well, what in the world has happened to these that they didn't stay pressed? And then I realized they spent about 2 minutes in the humidity outside when I was bringing them from the film studio over here. And so even that moisture, even without the heat, affected it, that humidity. Okay, so there's our blocks all ready to go. When we come back, we're going to put this crown shape around it. And last minute questions? Okay, now remember, these will be in the replay. You can go to your link in your email, or you can go to Quilt Club Week, YouTube, Facebook, Premium Club, everywhere that we do our work, and you'll be able to see those. So, are we good?
I think we're good.
Okay. I hope you enjoyed it.